Hi, Mark Fraser with Everett's Garage here in Rocky Mountain House, Alberta, Canada. And today I'm going to do a walk around video of this 2015 Chev Silverado with the LTZ package. And it's a 3500. It comes with a 6.6 liter Duramax engine. And I just want to go through the condition and the features of this vehicle. So first off, we'll just cover the front. It comes with the halogen projection headlights with their automatic. Previous owner has added some custom Cloud Rider covers here. It does have the park assist sensors on the front here. Now moving down the side, previous customer has installed fender flares and 20-inch aftermarket rims. Rims are in very good condition. Now just moving down the side, we have the heated outside towing mirrors. Condition-wise, I see a couple little scuffs there. Something that could probably be polished out. Comes with the running boards. The tires probably about 70%. Now in the back here, we do have a step to help get into the box. It does come with the park assist sensors in the rear as well. I'll just drop the tail cable over here. So it has the spray and box liner as well, and the backup camera. Now just coming up the side, we're looking at condition here. Couple little light scratches, those are all buffable. Certainly something we can do here in-house. But overall, no major dents, no major scratches. Next, we're going to go inside and go through the features of the interior. So I'm inside this 2015 GMC Sierra 3500 with a Duramax engine, and it's the LTZ package. So just going to go through some of the features and the condition of the interior. First off, we'll start over here. We have the integrated trailer brake for towing, of course 4x4 selector here, automatic headlights. They will come on at night. Has the programmable seat, driver's seat, so you can have one or two drivers programmed in here. Power adjustable mirrors. We have power windows, child lock doors, and child lock windows. Now moving over here onto the steering wheel, we have paddles on the back, which we can scroll through our favorites on our radio and also adjust the volume. Our cruise control controls are here. We also have forward collision alert. That'll alert us if someone stops suddenly in front of us on the highway, and it'll actually emit a red light to warn us that someone has stopped suddenly up front. Has the heated steering wheel, always a great feature. Bluetooth controls are here, along with the controls for the driver information center up front, which gives you information like fuel economy and your trips. So we'll just continue to move across. We have our heated seats, and with the LTZ, they've added the AC seats as well as an option. Moving across to the radio, first off, we have our audio, which has AM, FM, and satellite radio. There's your Bluetooth phone controls. And it does have integrated navigation, which is a great feature. The settings, lots of things in there to customize your vehicle, so you can program the vehicle to your liking. Below that, we have our volume controls. And then just below that, we have our CD player. Now moving down, we do have automatic climate control. And just below that, we have a bank of buttons here. We have our pedal control, StabiliTrak, traction control, cargo light. This is a way to disable your park assist sensors, lane departure alert, hill descent assist, and for that Duramax engine, we have an exhaust brake. Below that, we have a charging center. So we have 3 USB ports here, 2 12-volt charging ports there, and also the 120 plug-in, great for your laptop. We're just going to move up top here. It does come with the sunroof, which is covered in ice. Hopefully that's gone soon. And over here we have programmable garage door opener, and then our controls for our sunroof are here. And then also, if we'll just look to the back, we do have a power sliding rear window. Always a nice feature. But before I leave up front here, the condition overall is really good. The leather's in good shape. The dash and the flooring is all in good condition. The previous owner has put WeatherTech liners on the floor, so that helps protect the floor underneath. So overall, the front is in great shape. Next, we're going to move to the back, and I'll show you the features back there and the overall condition. So I'm in the back seat of this 2015 Chev Silverado with the LTZ package. And of course, you can see I've got a foldable cup holder here, tucks away nice and neat. And then also you can lift the rear seats up for more cargo storage area. And you can see they have that floor liner in, which is a great little option to help protect the carpet. But as condition wise, everything looks to be in great condition back here. No major scratches or rips or tears. Looks to be well looked after. So let's close out this video. We'll meet up front, and I'll meet you there. So there you have it, the 2015 Chev Silverado 3500 with the 6.6 liter Duramax engine. Overall, the vehicle's in good shape, good condition, and it has low kilometers on it for the year, just over 128,000. And as you can see, it does have a lift. It is a 6-inch lift kit in this vehicle. Sharp looking truck. If you'd like to know more about this, give me a call. My name is Mark, 403-845-3328.